Today we are going to learn how to make an animated GIF. Click on Keynote and then tap the plus to get a new presentation. Choose a theme when the box comes up and then select a basic white presentation. Highlight the text boxes and delete them so that you get a blank page. Choose your background colour by clicking on the paintbrush. You can then click on the box next to background to change the colour. I'm going to choose a gradient as I want the top half to be the sky and the bottom to be the sea. I can then click on the plus to add images. If I tap the circle and square icon, it gives me a choice of shapes under different categories. I want some mountains, so I'm going to click on nature and find the picture I want. I can drag the picture where I want to on the page and resize with 2 fingers. I can also change the colour by clicking on the paintbrush, selecting style in the top header and then choosing the colour I want. If I click on the picture, it will come up with a menu. I want to make some copies, so I can click on copy, then tap elsewhere on the screen and select paste. I can then place them where I want to on the screen. I can go to the plus again and add other pictures to my design. To add text, I click on the plus and this time select text. Type in your title. Highlight what you've written and click on the paintbrush again. Select text, then you can change the size, the text colour, and the font. When you're happy with your picture, click on your slide in the left-hand panel and select Duplicate. Make a few copies, and on each slide we're going to move some of the elements slightly, just as we would if we were making an animation. This way, when we put it all together, it will look like the objects are moving. When you're happy with that, go to the 3 dots at the top. Click on Export, then tap Animated GIF. We want the slide to move in order, so we need to click on the slide range and change the first number to 1. The second number stays as the number of the last slide, as we want it to cycle through each of our slides. We can now go back to the GIF options and click on Export in the top right. We click Share and Save Image. This will save our GIF to the camera roll. If you want to use your GIF as an opening credit in iMovie, for example, you can play it in your camera roll and take a screen recording, which you can then add to your movie. To take a screen recording, simply swipe down from the top left corner and click on the red record button. It will give you a countdown, during which time you should tap to get rid of the menu. When you've finished recording, swipe from the top corner again and hit the same button. When you put it in iMovie, it is easy enough to trim the parts that you don't want.